There's two major ways to register a job before printing: registering to the print and to film. Let's go over both methods. Registering a job to the print itself is great because it shows a truer representation of what you'll see on the print. Since this design only has one color, we don't need to add ink to the screens to register the print. All we need to do is make sure the print is centered on the platen. One color prints are great for printers to get the basics of registration down. If you're printing a multicolor job on a Riley 150, check out the video in the lesson description for a tutorial. Align the center registration marks on the screen to the center line you drew on the platen. Once everything's in line, tighten the knobs on the screen clamp. Make sure both clamps are tight so the screen doesn't move around. Load a junk shirt or test pellon onto the platen. For this one color job, we're just making sure that the screens line up with the shirt and the print is centered. Registering by hand works most of the time, but there are limits. Without micro adjustments, you'll have to tap the screen back and forth to get it exactly in register. If you're looking for super tight registration or want to print multicolor jobs easily, micros will help out. These are found on 250 and 300 presses. Now let's talk about registering to film. Registering to a film is an easy way to see where the print will land on the platen. Place the film 3 to 4 inches down from the neckline of the platen. Align the center registration marks on the film to the center line of the platen. Once the film is in place, tape it down so it doesn't move. Now bring the screen down and make sure it's aligned to the film. Adjust the screen by tapping it back and forth until the film and the screen are perfectly lined up. Once this step is complete, tighten the screen clamps and remove the film. Once the screen is registered, do a test print to make sure the image looks good on the shirt. Now that the print is registered, tape off the registration marks. We're ready to get ink on our screens. Welcome to How to Screen Print with a Kit, the 150 edition. In this free course, I'll be walking you through every step of the process, from darkroom setup to reclaim. I'll be using the Riley Hopkins 150 kit. It has everything you need to start a screen printing hobby or side hustle. Jump in today and get screen printing tomorrow.